So welcome to my channel, and today I'm actually here in Rockwell, which is in the Makati, Manila, Philippines, and it's a real trendy kind of a luxurious district here. And right behind me is the power plant mall, which I plan on going inside because they have some amazing Christmas decoration display, and I want to go check that out. But when you look around, when you see all these beautiful tall buildings, it's almost like it's a mini BGC. So I'm very excited to go in there and check this out. I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of a shot of what I'm talking about outside. And I will be visiting BGC here very soon, but in the meantime, I think it's going to be kind of neat to go inside. Plus, you know, the rain is kind of off and on, so it's going to make a good inside video today. This is a very rich district here, and I took a grab from my hotel to get here. It's about maybe 10 minutes, and it's Sunday with a lot of traffic. And this time of year, you know, because it's in the holidays, they have all the Christmas decorations up, and that's going to be a real treat again to see that. But this is the outside of it, so I'm going to slowly make my way across the street and get out of this rain. Be up on this nice little walkway that will bring me into it. How about that? And this traffic is really insane. Give you a view of what it looks like. Okay, I made it inside the power plant mall, and I came in through the Lopez entrance here, which is right down there. There's different ways you can get in here. So, I'm gonna kind of explore around now and look at these amazing Christmas decorations. Look what they did. It is very well decorated. And you can see the names of the stores next to it. You know, because Christmas celebration actually starts around September here in the Philippines. On the, it would be the third floor, I believe. Ground floor, second floor, third floor. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors. So it's pretty big. That's the eating area. We're gonna go down there and check that out in a little bit. It looks like on the ends they have like a display, so you have these polar bears. How nice is this? Poinsettias. I think you got every name brand that you can think of is inside this mall. Look at this massive tree. Okay, here's another angle of it right here. Kind of like right in the center. They have every single high-end store that you can think of is right here, and we're coming to an end. And again, the ends are kind of neat because they have these big displays. Check this out. I'm like right here in the center at the end. They have these raffle cars out. I think if you register, you can win that car. And there's another entrance right over there. Wow, that looks nice. Got a bow on it already. Little ribbon on the top. Check these polar bears out. That's nice.
Yeah, 11.
Look at these guys.
They're 11. Let's go, let's go.
Okay, you can see what's underneath this tree right here. That's obviously most of the stores that are inside here, but not all of them. Gonna make my way up to the next floor. Just kind of wandering around aimlessly in here. One thing about malls, and I've done videos in malls before, sometimes there's so many floors and you really have to kind of walk through on how you're going to do it. Look at this, how beautiful that is. Like mini Christmas trees hanging from the ceiling. I guess they are Christmas trees, pretty much. Everywhere on the ceiling. That is incredible, and how they do this. There's absolutely a ton of restaurants inside here. This is what you can get. Give you an idea. Kind of do like a little circle. You know, Sundays is like a family day too, so. Shinlin. Some of the most important things is the food. And I'm definitely going to go check out the second floor because that has a lot of food in it. Ooh, I love ice cream. Kind of gives you a little bit of a taste. What's here? Okay, I'm going to make my way up to the top floor now. See what's going on up here, which is about the same, really, with different stores. You kind of get a real feel of this mall. The one of many here in Manila, Philippines. Got a little food court over here, I think. I don't think anybody does it better than the Philippines as far as Christmas decoration. You simply cannot beat them. I have never seen anything like this in the US. I mean, I've seen some good displays, but nothing comes close to this. I'm just kind of doing a little walk, and it's like you're with me and you can see what it's like. See the floors again. This must be the cinema area, along with some little food places. I think there's maybe a line to get in to see the movie. Not sure what's playing though. Good food court area. Check it out. We'll do a little bit of a tour down here. Shabu shabu. This is really pretty here. Right at the ground level almost. Look at this tree, that is big. Wow. That's a wow factor one. Down here. Look at this. See all the other floors I just came from. Have all these high-end stores with their stuff underneath the tree. Here's that piano. I've been hearing that the whole time. Continue our little walk. Tons of places to eat. Supermarket. For some reason you get the essence of the lights better down here than the other floors. See this one right here. This is all the reindeer. How about that? That is really neat. This is the end of this video of a tour of the power plant mall here in Makati. And it's really been cool to see all these beautifully decorated floors here. It's absolutely amazing on what they did to celebrate the Christmas holidays. And this is one of the shots. See that massive tree. And if you like this content and helps you out or benefits you in a way, please consider helping me by hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from the Philippines. Later.